Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Today I'm going to talk you through my 5 really easy steps that I take every morning in order to make sure that I feel like I've been productive and that I am ready for my day. I particularly pay attention to these steps on days when I'm working. I like to get each of them done before I head out the door in the morning. It only normally takes me about 15 minutes, which isn't a huge amount of time, but what it does mean is that I will come home in the evening and I will arrive to a clean, tidy and fresh home. And having that in the back of my mind throughout the day makes me feel so much better. I hate the thought of like all the beds being unmade and just arriving home to a house which is just a mess. So I find by making sure that I've done these 5 steps each day that I'm clear in my mind and I know that I'm going to be very, very happy when I walk through the front door. I wanted to make this video just to give everybody an insight into how I manage to keep the house tidy. I do get asked quite a lot on my Instagram and also by my friends how I manage to keep my house so tidy, and the truth is it's just being really, really organised and making sure that I follow these little steps each day to allow me to have that kind of label of being the person who keeps a tidy house. It's really, really easy and I'm hoping that it might help some of you and just ease up some of the pressure that we are all putting on ourselves, thinking that everybody's house is spotless all the time. It's really not, but all you need to do is just do some small jobs that will make your house appear like you've done a full house clean each day. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll catch up with you at the end. So one of the first jobs that I do in the morning is I will come downstairs and I will empty the dishwasher. I try to make sure I put the dishwasher on the night before. I fill it up with all of our pots and pans from dinner and plates and things that we've used throughout the day. And then when it comes to the morning, these are all clean and ready to be put away. By remembering to do this each morning, it frees up the space in the dishwasher so that I can put in there anything that we've used for breakfast or for making our lunches, and it also clears the worktop so that they are clean and tidy for the rest of the day. My next step is probably the most crucial one in the morning routine, and that is to make myself a cup of coffee. I will then get out my Zoflora and water solution and just quickly wipe down the sides, just making sure that all of the surfaces are nice and clean and ready to be left for the day. I just find it's really lovely to come home to a clean worktop after a long day at work. I'll then just get out some bleach and put a little bit of that down the drains and a cap full of Zoflora in each of the sinks, along with some boiling water to just give off a lovely fresh smell in the room. I then move into the living room and it's just exactly as we left it from the night before. So I'll open up the blinds, sort out the blankets and plump all of the cushions. I then also tidy away any loose bits that are lying around and just leave the room looking very clean and tidy, ready for when we get home. I will then venture upstairs and again I'll open up all the blinds, pick up any loose towels that have been left lying around and hang them on the back of the doors, and then I'll just quickly make all of the beds, pull the covers over and plump the cushions. My last quick job of the morning is to just quickly put some bleach down each of the toilets in the house, and so I know that when I get home again that these are all going to be fresh and clean. I really hope you enjoyed the video and that you found the steps helpful. and that you might take on some of these steps in your morning routine if you can manage to squeeze them in. You don't need to do all of the steps that I do each day in order to have a clean house. The routine that I have can be molded and adapted in order to suit your life and your routine. You might not have a spare 15 minutes in the morning, and that's okay. And it's also okay if on some days you walk out the front door and the beds are unmade. I do it, we all do it, nobody is perfect. So don't put the pressure on yourselves. But by just finding a small routine that works well for you can dramatically change how you feel about your home and also change your mindset for the day. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new around here, please also don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. If you have any comments or if you would like to know anything, please make sure you just write below and I will always get back to you. Until next time everyone, goodbye.